What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? What's up? You Skinny Boy Randy. What's going on, you guys? How you doing? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Hey, you guys, how you doing? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, click on like and subscribe, y'all. Click on the little red box. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, you guys, we're on our way to 7,000 followers. Oh my God, it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm not going to hold you long. I just want to tell you how much I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you to everyone who's ordered a t-shirt. Thank you to everyone who's ordering t-shirts. I love you guys. You're the best. Okay, I'm going to give you an update on the corn, okay? Okay. So look, remember we started this corn a few days ago, and this is what we have. Okay? Okay. It's not too late to start your corn. I told y'all. And if you go back and look at my videos a couple of days ago, you will see me plant this. And look at it already. Yeah, you guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You are the absolute best. I have the best followers in the world. Yes, you guys. Look at that corn. And we simply planted the seeds. We spaced them apart. And we're starting them on the deck. See? Yep. We're starting them on the deck. So there you guys, I want to keep you updated. I told you I would, so I'm keeping my word. This is our corn after a few days. And you know, I started my corn that I have growing outside in the garden already the same way. Just in a smaller container, actually. Yep. So yes, you guys, corn is also a high nitrogen feeder. So if you can get you some nitrogen and dilute it very well, read the instructions, you guys. Always read your instructions, okay? Because we ain't got no money to be throwing away and mess up our stuff and give our plants away. We ain't got no money. All right, follow the instructions, you guys. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. But yeah, corn loves nitrogen, you guys. That's why they tell you to put beans around them. Something that's high in nitrogen. But this is just a pack of nitrogen that I ordered. And you can dilute it. And you can water your corn with it. Okay, okay. So now, you guys, let's take a special trip. I'm going to put you in the cornfield. I've been out here cleaning it up, but I wanted to share a little bit of it with you guys because I started doing it without you guys, and I'm like this, I can't do this without my friends. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. What we're going to do today, look at my cornfield. I hope you guys can see me. I hope I got the camera focused. You see this, you guys? You followed me. You've watched. Look. You've watched. Look at this corn, you guys. I can't even reach up that high. And I'm standing on a little hill. But yeah. Look at our corn. So I'm going to take you inside the field. Look. And you know, when I told you I had this little piece up, the netting, that I can attach to this nail that I have on my stake. And I can pull it down and I can step inside. Look, you guys. I can step inside of my cornfield. We are actually inside of the cornfield, you guys. I love you guys. You're the best. I know y'all probably say that boy is crazy as all outdoors. Crazy as two-rolled lizards. Okay, okay, I know. Thank you guys so much for being here. But yes, you guys, we're inside my cornfield. Yeah. And I cleaned out a lot of it because corn is a grass. You know, so the grass is not hurting it. You know, I just wanted to clean out a lot of the weeds, you know, and I got a lot of that done. You know, you just want to go through. You guys, I can't believe I have you actually inside of the cornfield. We are inside the cornfield, y'all. Be careful when you're out there doing any type of work like this. Be careful. Make sure you're looking at your surroundings. I do it during the daytime so I can see. Making sure there ain't nothing to bite me because I ain't got no money to go to the emergency room. I ain't got no money. Yes, you guys, so I'm inside of my cornfield. Yeah. And just clean it out a little bit. But I told you I would give you an update, so I had to keep my word, okay? Okay. And we can actually move around. Look, you guys. Now, I need to get over there to that batch. I just had my grass cut today. So I'm trying to clean up as best as I can. Because this part is all I have all this part blocked off, y'all. So, little nephew couldn't get to this part. But yeah, you just want to, you know, tidy up your garden every once in a while. You know, especially your corn. I'm so proud of our corn, you guys. Look through there. You can actually see through now, right? Yes, your SkinnyBoyRandy cornfield. We did that right. Okay, we did that. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. So yeah, you guys, you can start your corn. And like I showed you on the porch, you are not too late to get you some corn going. So now I want to get back through here without damaging the corn, you guys. Oh, Lord, it felt like I'm in a maze. Okay. Okay, you guys, you're doing this with me, so bear with me. Oh, I found a path. I found a pathway through the corn. There's so much foliage. I love it. Oh, my goodness, I found my way out. Woo! Okay. I made it out. Yes, you guys. So I told you, when I plant my corn, I always, you know, plant it like a handfoot apart. Now look at those great roots. You will see roots coming out of the ground on your corn. That means they're doing well. Yeah. And the wind is just blowing. It's a beautiful thing, you guys. See how the wind is just taking it back and forth? And that's actually strengthening our corn, keeping it strong. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share with you, see how we just put the corn that we started on the deck in the ground. And I'm still going to clean out a little bit more, but it can breathe better because this was full of like this type of stuff. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. The update I promised. So yeah, you guys, don't ever think you can't grow your corn in mid-July. Actually, it's a great time to start your corn. You can get it in the ground. You can start it in a container, just like I did these. And I simply just made a little indentation in the ground with my finger. I put a little seed there, covered it up, and voila. This is what we got. So, yeah, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Grow you some corn right now. You can do it. You can do it. And I'll just take you on along a little journey of everything that's going on right now. Okay, we don't have to end this relationship right now. Okay, I love you guys. I don't want to end this relationship right now. I want you guys to see some things. Yeah. I want you guys to see some things. You know how much I love you. Look at there. This is not corn, you guys, but just want to share with you some things that are growing. Yep. And I'm always taking things off the deck, putting them in other places, because you never stop growing, you guys. You never stop. Look at our tie-dye squash. We have squash coming out of there. They will be blooming soon. Beautiful leaves on this plant. Yes, you guys, beautiful. Our fruit trees are doing their thing. A couple of cucumber plants on the side, just on the side, not the other ones I have planted. Let's check on our baby over here. Oh, look at there. Look at there, look at there. Yeah, you guys. Growing your cucumbers up a trellis on the side of your home. You can. They get shade and they get sun. That's why I love it. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I hope you're blessed, safe. Hope your family is blessed and safe. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment. Share the video. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it.